Right, continuing on with weaving in the ends. So we got these two guys here. Yours may be right next to each other. It looks like I caught this tail as I went around a little bit. And that is okay. You can go either way. I'm going to go through these little loops again. We don't have to go back through like we did the other one. This one, kind of work down here. Again, going in between those stitches. We can do what we did before, and this is the one it came out of. We're going to go into this one and just work the way back a little bit. There we go. So now we do have a couple little guys we can trim. So let's trim this one and just go right up to where it's coming out. Just be careful not to cut your project. There we go. And one more. So this one, I'll just bring him through maybe one time, and that'll be sufficient for this tail here. Put it in there. And what you can do is actually work back the other way, and it'll help get tied onto this one here. So again, skipping that first loop. Work through a few. If your tail starts getting too short for your needle, that's okay. You can actually go through a few, bring it down so it fits. Pull the yarn through and then finish. There you go. Can turn this over, and that is a complete coaster. Just work it, make it nice and round. You can kind of push it in a little. It's pretty malleable. There you go. Thank you guys. Great job.